Hello everyone, my name is Matheus and I'm going to present in this video the user perspective of my part in the effort project. If you have any question, please contact me in this email or the product owner, Dr. Sadaj. So I'm going to present in here. Okay, so I'm going to log in. Of course, you guys have to, you should have before done your account. So since I've done before, I'm going to log in. And then it's going to display my equity chart. Okay, and in here you can see a lot of candlestick. So this looks like a candle, so that's why we call a candlestick. And then we can look for some more, but since I have no data more, it's not going to be displayed in here. Another thing that you can do, I'm going to explain later what are those. But another thing that you can do in here, it's to zoom, and then you can click again here, so you can drag and then see the data, and then you can reset to go back to the beginning. And of course in here, for example this one, it's in January 12th of the year 2019. You can see at the bottom, or you can see here once you hover. So at the top, the red in this box, you can see at the top 12 January 19, and you can see 4 values, which I'm gonna explain soon what are those. You can see also two types of candles, which one of it's green, the other one's red. Okay, so what is a candlestick? So you see this value here? You have 4 values: open, high, low, and close. So just have an idea that on January 11th, since this interval is 1 day, so you see January 11th, I mean January 1st, January 2, January 3, and so on. So the interval is 1 day. So in each candlestick, you receive a lot of values of equity. Since it's an equity chart, you receive a lot of values. So for example, on January 6th at 1 a.m. and 30 seconds, you receive that the equity was worth $300. And then in 2 minutes later, you receive that it changed to 400, and so on. However, what was the first value for sure that we received on January 6th? In this case, it was $236. Why? Because it's the open one. I'm going to explain better with an example here. So, for example, at this time, at 12 o'clock, it was said that your equity was worth 120 and 09 cents. So what does that mean? That it's your open value. So I'm gonna write in here open. It's the first value received. It's 120.09. Okay, and then remember that I have 4 values. High, which is the highest value received. Low and close. Low, which is the lowest value, and then the close, which is the latest value. Okay, so for now, suppose we only have these data. What is going to be my highest? Of course, the same. So does the lowest. So does the close. So does the close. However, if you receive another value at 12 and 26 seconds later, what is my value now? 256. The open is never gonna change. It's gonna be the same anyways because it's my first value received. However, my highest now, it's this guy right here. I'm gonna copy and paste, and my lowest is what? Not this one, because this is greater than this, so this one. It's gonna be my lowest. And what is my close? My close value is what? Is the latest value I receive, which is this one. So I receive another value, this one for example. So this value I'm gonna put in the data, and then my open again does not change. My highest, it's 256, so 165 is not highest than this, so it's gonna keep the same. My lowest, this guy is lower than this, so I'm gonna keep. My close, it does change because my last value was what? This guy. I'm gonna do the same for this. No, 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 but this, yes. I'm gonna do the same for this. No, because never change. No, because this is highest. However, the lowest now it changes. So I'm gonna change this one now to be the lowest. What's my close value? It's gonna be this. And remember, this is for 12, 0, 0, 0, 0 until 12, 0, 1, 0, 0. You can put any date frame if you want. Not now, because the system does not allow, but soon some other developer will implement this feature so we can change from 12 to 1201. Okay, I'm gonna put this data now. No, because it does not change. Highest is keeps the same, lowest keeps the same, but the close we change. So you see those four values, and this one is 1201, so we don't put in here because of the data frame. So what's my open value is 120, what's my highest value is 256, what's my lowest 96, what's my close value 103. So the comparison between the open and the close, who is higher? The open. So what does that mean? That at the end I had a what? A decline. So I have 120.09, it went to 103.63. So this is the value of my equity. So what does that mean? I had it went down. So if it went down, it's gonna be red. If for example this value was 200, so my close value would be what? 263. So was my open value 120.09, went to 200.63, so it went up. So does that mean that the candle is gonna be green? So if it goes down, it's gonna be red. So for example, this one, the open is 520. So open is 520, and what's the close? 125. 125 and 63. 125. I'm sorry. 125 and 63. So it went down. So it's gonna be red. And the other one, the open is 236 and the close is 803. So we had a real increase in here. So that's why it's green. So in this graph you can see that at this time, January 03, we lost money, we lost the equity. But in here we receive a lot of equity. So that's it. I hope it helped you. And then if you have any question again, please contact me or Dr. Matheus.